Hello? Bueller? What's up? Alright, I mean, y'all are going crazy in the Discord. I can't even hear, it's too loud. Yeah, man, we might be having a breakout. That's it, dude. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. Like, this is the most joke resistance of all time, probably, right? You know, Kappa, just kidding. Bitcoin to the euro is breaking out. Chat. How the chat? I don't even know this is real. Let's go. Thank you, Liam McRae. If it's real, I don't even know. Oh my god, 11,584. Chat, this is real. This isn't a joke, dude. I mean, it could be a huge fake out, but I'm just saying, like, you're breaking resistance. And we're clearly showing some immediate price action afterwards. So, yeah, that's like typical signature breakout stuff. But, again, you know, don't get cocky, kid. You can pull back easy. Right. But let's go to the Bitcoin to the euro because that alert just went off. And we had not broken out. We had not broken out until, seems like now. I don't know what chart I'd pulled up. No, I mean, I guess we had broken out. I don't know. I don't have that alert set up. But, yeah, Bitcoin to the euro. Right. The local highs from August, September 2019. You're still below those. But Bitcoin is above those. Bitcoin to the US dollar. So, you got to wonder, though. I mean, I think we're breaking this, but you look right here to August 5th of 2019, and we're like right at that. We're trying to break it. Can y'all hear me? Is the music too loud? I'm discombobulated because I went live at, wow, it's like almost 1 a.m. my time. Hello?
Is this your homework, Larry?
Well, okay, no wonder. This chat is the old chat. I gotta get the new chat up. My chat like wasn't moving. So we're okay for now, but I mean, like, you know, see it like it's just pulling back. That's the problem with these breakout streams, man. It's like we're breaking out. It looks good, but I don't know. Yeah, there you go, dude. Get wrecked. Who got you baited? I'm just kidding. I don't know, man. It sounds okay. Yeah, for sure. I don't know. I mean, yeah, the next target's like, if you break it, dude, for real. And, like, we need candle close confirmation, don't we? Like, on the daily, wouldn't that be ideal? But, yeah, the next target's 12,300-ish. Sure, dude. Sure thing.
Thanks for this late stream, brew.
Was only literally in my bed and just, like, clipping my fingernails. About to take a melatonin for sleep. And then it's like, of course, right? Beep. Price action on the weekend. Y'all remember that? Price action on the weekend during the bull run last year. Like, consecutive weekends in a row. Like 3 out of the 4 weekends in June were just insane. Like huge markups in price, continuation of the rally, or like a lot of the price action of the entire rally was in those periods, leaving gaps on the futures for a while. Whatever, man. I'm just like doing other stuff. Not trying to not look at the charts. Trying to like stop for a little bit. But of course, you know, I had plenty of time to sleep for 10 weeks, didn't I?
Hey Mitch, can we look at dollar VXRT? Ha, just play it.
Okay.
Type in the chat for BTC.
Okay, dude. That's, yeah. I'm gonna be like, he did get me because I'm like tired, man. It's no, I don't. You can't join Patreon yet. Yeah, you gotta wait till I think after midnight Pacific time. So, you know, whatever. No sleep now. But I mean, really, that was last summer. I can't even remember how many hours of stream time I had last summer. And here we go, 11,584. You're at the highs, your highest levels, chat. Yeah, whatever. Since August 2019 still. And that's going to be a while. We'll be saying the same thing all the way up till 12,312. That makes sense, right? That's the next resistance.
This is like the greatest Christmas of all time.
Yeah, really. It's like, hey, dude, it's July. Nah, dude, it's August 1st. The beginning of the new month, right? The new month, man. Where on the last month that we just had, July, we had quite possibly one of the most historical breakouts, you know, for Bitcoin, like in recent history. So this is like the other part of it, where it's like you had these different type of breakouts. Now you have another type of breakout that is on the weekly. There it is, man. We are so close, dude. I mean, you see this, though, right? You can get price action intra-week, which we've done like almost every single time before settling up.
Thanks for coming live. This is like World of Warcraft trade grind. Mitch is cool. Nice community.
11,600 just now, chat. We've hit it. We hit it, dude. This is huge. That's what she said, of course. Huge green impulse candle, alright? What's up, Nathan, dude?
Thank you for getting out of bed, boss.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Hey, man, it's sweet tendies. It's hard to resist tendies baking in the oven, man, right?
Wow.
You know what I'm talking about, especially if you're patron. I mean, come on, dude, right? Like, oh, good. This is perfect. Science Monies, thank you for the 20. Really, really appreciate that. It's good with it, man.
Is that a joint?
Welcome back, Mitch. Nice community.
Nice community. 11,615. We're looking at the weekly here. It's insane, dude. The weekly.
1:50 a.m. here. Bitcoin won't let me sleep, and I still love it. Talk about unconditional love. Heart. Smiley face.
Historical breakout.
The ones for 1 a.m.
One's in the chat for the 1 a.m.s. You know what? Just wherever your time is, whatever time it is for you, the hour, just type it in. One time. Don't spam it. Just do it once, dude. 11,650. And still climbing. Bitcoin's up 2.6% on the new month. A lot of 2s, 11s, 1s. Oh, it's everything, dude.
That was when he got back from Sandals, Jamaica with Jenna. Got my roster drums out. Feeling hot.
That's right. That's right. Oh, thanks so much. I don't even, dude, I don't know what to say. I'm like in shock right now. This was, I don't know, I was like retired, right? I had retired for the evening, like legit. And here we are on a Saturday morning. Oh God. And I don't know how long this will take, right? But you can't argue the fact that, like, let's just say the weekly closed here. It would be the highest level where traders settled up on this time scale, which is one of the most significant time scales that exists because you're above this week of January 15, 2018 level. It will be the highest price where traders had actually settled up since January 8th of 2018, which is like one of the highest levels ever. So, but you do need confirmation. Confirmation would be very prudent, especially if you were to say breakout or not. That's why the title is historical breakout exclamation mark, because we're exclaiming it, but we're also asking it, because it's like you need confirmation, at least the weakest form, which is just the candle close, which will happen Sunday evening if you're in the States. You need coffee, crypto collector? Yeah, man, me too, but what's the point? It's just so late. Or you're hitting the highest high of the breakout right now. I mean, that's 11,657.
Is that a joint?
Should I buy now?
I don't know. Should you? Smiley face. Thank you, dude. I don't know, man, if we're gonna... Well, you got the wick. I guess the next thing on the weekly is like 11,780.
All that hard work pays off. The journey is what it's all about. 2 a.m. we still here?
Yeah, it is. In Clemson territory, it's you're an hour ahead. East Coast. But you got a little bit of Bama in your neighborhood now, so I think that's hilarious, dude. It's so funny. Oh, you can't escape it. Okay. So, right, I mean, like, where we are right now, it's like 12,312, sure. And if you're modest, or, 11, it's 12,000, because that's like the high on the daily. Right, like right here. This is where traders settled up August 7th, 2019, 11,989. So that's like kind of like your next target, man. So, we did this comparative analysis last night and earlier on the stream. And I'm telling you, man, it's like there's no other charts that are so synced up like this. It's just crazy. Why not have it up? I think it's a great time to have it up, because it's like it can help you visualize what could be happening if we get a real confirmed breakout above the area that we're breaking right now, because it's so important. Okay, to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's 11,469 area is to gold what its 1791 is. Okay, we're breaking now, and it broke it, and it spent a little time, like maybe a week, a little less than a week, consolidating before it had a huge markup in price again. This is, again, gold on the left side of your screen, and then Bitcoin on the right side of your screen. No two assets I've seen look like this. Like, it's just the structure is so similar. It's almost like the free market is, in a way, perceiving Bitcoin as a form, something similar to gold if it's painting similar patterns, I guess, right? And if it has a similar outcome, which, I mean, if Bitcoin mimics gold now, the way it has been, we're talking 16K. But see, gold hit all-time highs. Bitcoin hitting its own all-time highs would be over $20,000, so a little different. Gold was a little bit closer to its all-time highs, I think, than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is so illiquid. Remember, like, the total market cap for gold is like $8 to $10 trillion. Bitcoin is What's it at right now? Hold on, let's do the unironic. No, we're doing. Yeah, we're gonna do an unironic coin market cap look real quick. I hate going here, dude. This is like. Here it is, man. What are we at on Bitcoin? Hello? Okay, what is that? 25. Wait, what? The dark mode is like all messed up, dude. Total market cap for crypto is 342 billion. Yeah, I can't read that. Oh, okay, there it is. 213 billion. So you could understand how Bitcoin's runs could be far faster, more violent than gold's. But even though, look at gold's, it's just straight line up, man. That's pretty violent. So no confirmation for Bitcoin like gold had. Plenty of confirmation, even a back test, multiple back tests. Okay, what was that? What did you say? Can you buy a seat? Can I buy a seat at the next A&M versus Bama game in College Station? Can you buy me a seat? I mean, yeah, I guess. We're playing, but yeah, I've never been to College Station before. That'd be fun to go to that game. But you know what sucks, man? They're gonna be like limited seating capacity. It's just not gonna be the same, man. Like this season's ruined, you know, completely ruined. Ten games, right? SEC. That's it. What are they gonna do? Are they gonna do? How are they gonna do like postseason stuff? Just like the winners of the conferences go. Aren't there? I don't know, man. The gains. Well, we're pulling back a little bit. Here, I'll get off dual screen, but I just wanted you to see that, like, just in case there's someone out there that didn't see it. This is the gold price. This is the Bitcoin price. It looks similar. So, oh, this is such a good song. Jose A, thank you, man. Yeah, college football rocks. It does. Okay. Nah, dude. Auburn goes nuts, man. They're like...
No, not until we're back at capacity. I don't want you seeing a big empty stadium. You could go see Auburn if you wanted that.
Dude, the Iron Bowl, man, it's like the only time I see Auburn people. Man, they, like, in Jordan-Hare, in Auburn, man, they are crazy. They turn into different people for the Iron Bowl. Down there, anyway. It's nuts. And their stadium's always completely full. So, anyway. But yeah, that'd be awesome. 12th man. Thank you, dude. The super chats. And this is like the problem, dude. This is the problem with like live streaming a breakout, right? Like a breakout that is this significant. It's not like a 1 minute breakout, dude. It's like, hey, you're breaking a crazy resistance and there's gonna maybe be, you know, some price action up and down, some back tests, some pullbacks, some craziness. You know, what's just nuts about Bitcoin on the daily is it's now sitting at 84. The last time Bitcoin saw 84 on the RSI on the daily was June of 2019, where we got eventually to a point of 87, and we saw, look at that, man, 3 times. That's good stuff. And bull trends, you keep just getting overbought to not get overbought to get overbought again. Look at this, man, bull trend all the way. Just overbought to not get overbought again to reset. Right, look, clear bear trends. Look at this bear trend, terrible. Right, bear trend, you could just never even get overbought, like barely ever. Now we're starting to get there, dude. Hold on, man. It's late. It's real late, dude. So we can go to Ethereum that hit its highest high. It's near its highest point, $355. Looking on the daily, next target is 367. You know what 367 is. Come on, dude. Let's go to the monthly chart, so you can see it. It was where there was price action June 26th through 29th or whatever of 2019. Right there, it's that high. And it is the absolute neckline of the potential double bottom. Double bottom the size of Neptune, alright? Size of Neptune. Dash, the US dollar, has now hit its first target finally. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Trade setup, boom.
BTC higher until 50k. Long game. My boy Satoshi won't let me down.
Cameron S, thanks for the $5 super chat. First time viewer. Well, I'm glad you found me, man. And be sure, if you are a first time viewer or a new sub, or you're not, join the Discord. That is, we got almost 7,000 members. Extremely active. My God, the Discord. When I'm not live and stuff's going on, that you can't. It's just spamming. Just the Discord chat spams. So here's the link. Go join us. And we're growing like really fast again, like you know how it is with these pumps. Every cycle it's like this.
Do you make more money from Super Chat or Stream Elements?
Stream Elements, 100%. Super Chat. If you tip me in Super Chat, Google takes 30% of it. If you tip me in Stream Elements, it's nothing. It's like just PayPal, and PayPal's nothing. It's very little. It's like 1% or something. So yeah, Stream Elements always the optimum way to tip if you want, but it's all good, dude. Not complaining. You asked. Hey, Google's got to, publicly traded companies got to publicly be traded, right? That's how they making money any way they can, and it's the hustle. Zimmy Gaming Official, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Thanks for the, wow, 750 people tuned in. Okay, that escalated kind of quickly, but it makes a lot of sense. So, it's interesting, how Bitcoin right now is breaking out of that historical, I'm calling it, it's historical now. It's the Three Gorges Dam resistance. We're breaking that now. And we're doing that because it's raising awareness about what's about to happen possibly in China. Okay, which is really screwed up. Humanitarian crisis, agricultural crisis, many crises will arise if that Three Gorges Dam really breaks there. But Bitcoin's got its own, because it's that significant. Ethereum's got it's not the Three Gorges Dam, right? It's just like the resistance, the one, like Bitcoin's breaking at 367. You break that, man. Markups in price could be very violent, very fast. That is just how it works. Support resistance, and then you go to Fibonacci to help you like really perceive. Oh, okay, it makes total sense on why a measure move of the structure could be hit and above. Remember, your golden retrace, which is just the top of the common retrace zone, is $923. If there's no resistance looking left, how do you say it couldn't do that? It was straight up and straight down on the monthly. Johnny Football, man, let's go! Nah, dude, I had to say Roll Tides. Don't make me turn on my script A back here. It's a little neon light. I only turn it on.
Gig 'em.
I only turn it on for game days. But thank you, dude. Oh, and you should see when there's college football Saturdays, man. I'll have the overlays set up and stuff for it. Yeah, dude. College football's life. Well, for me. It's like, that's what happens, Larry, when you are born and raised in that culture. It happens. What's up, Mr. Pakek? Bitcoin's going to zero. Get wrecked. All right. Well, goes in the chat for Mr. Bakek and all the other shorts.
Yo, Mitch. Just bought a couple mugs of love. Please inform all that these are limited edition.
Coiner, they are limited. Yeah, I haven't taken them down yet because, well, it's technically the new day, but it's like, you know, whatever, man. The Pepe mugs, these Pepe mugs are going away forever. Like, it was gonna be, you know, the next time, but that was gonna be tomorrow, but it's still today, so.
Is that a joint?
Let's go, thanks for streaming.
Alright, let's go. 11,626. Alright, I'm gonna get off Ethereum. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let me see that channel, that little structure we had. Look at this. Remember we were talking about 354 was the target? Like you thought it would at least go test that, and now it's breaking it, and it's also breaking like other resistance on the daily. You can't even see it on the weekly. But you're breaking 354 and 367 is it, man. That's like there's nothing else. It's just crazy. It'd be weird. It'd be kind of weird unless it's just an extreme fake out, weekend fake out, for these assets, Bitcoin, to not run up to like 12,000 plus, and for Ethereum to now not test 367. Like these are technical breakouts. So there's, you know. But yeah, the mugs, the Pepe mugs, they're gonna be gone. So. All right, Fracid, there you go, man. Thanks for support, man.
How one can trade the 367 breakout trade. Where would a good SL be?
Dude, it's not a strategic long, especially if you run up to it and test it. That means like you're buying at huge premium. It's tough, man, to answer those questions because like you should have been here asking me these questions long before any of this. It's going insane. I can't help. You can't apply TA to situations like this, like
Next
for an edge for a trade.
Percentage increases are ridiculous.
Yeah. Is that it?
Is that a joint?
Sports card chart channel.
Thanks for streaming late. You the best, Mitch.
Thank you, Kyle. Appreciate all the support. Man, it's just, it's too important. It's like we've worked too hard. We've like put too many hours in to monitoring these assets. 10 weeks of reaccumulation of the composite operator to not be live right now. I mean, like, yeah, right. That's like going to practice all week, every day, and then deciding to not play in the game. That is what's going on right now. For like the people that were here before all this complete insanity, why we're in crypto happened. These were the areas, man. I don't know what to tell you. I'm kind of scared to like I don't know, like to re-add the average cost of, you know, the assets that a lot of us have. I mean, they're so much lower, dude. They're in the twos, like the mid to low twos. So, you know, we go to the monthly and look at it, and it's like this is like at any you can't like be strategic on the monthly really because of how much price action can occur within the weeks and days and 4 hours. Right? So this is just giving you a good gauge of where you're eventually going to go. You know, this could take like a year or more for these targets to be achieved, to retrace. Because look, man, this is each candle here represents one entire month, okay? So when it's not like we're looking at the 4 hour, or it's going to play out in a few days, man, max. Nah, dude. Not on this time scale. So, you know, those questions are tough, dude. I know how to identify an edge in the market, but it's really tough. I don't really know how to tell people how to strategize on an asset that's run up, like, you know, in just like 3 months. It's appreciated in value like 68%. It's really tough, man.
You're a boss, bro. Just jumping in the channel, but it's going to be a long couple of weeks. Portfolio is looking great, trying to do better. Smile.
Hey, Mr. Washington, dude. Thanks for the,
Is that a joint?
I really appreciate, all the support, dude. It's, We're now at the highest highs on Bitcoin. Let's go back to it, of the breakout, the historical breakout, 11,666. We need Jesus chimes. Exercise Bitcoin. We must break it. There it is. We broke it. 11,675. Let's go, dude. Let's freaking go. Umesh, man, thanks for the super chat. Nathan Harvey, man. Having the chat, let's go.
Is that a joint?
Nathan, thanks for joining the Patreon. It's still, I don't know, man. You might be getting charged because of the Pacific time. You might have to wait. 11,682 right there. Highest high is the rally. And there is no resistance until 12,000 plus. If you can even believe it. Where we're up almost 3% on the new month. Melt up, chat. Do not freaking join right now. Brad's saying it at all caps. Do you hear that? Don't be joining Patreon until 12:01 a.m. Pacific time, not this time. Oh my God! I have many words.
Nice to be up working late. BTC on my other screen. See it pumping and know if I check to see if you're lit. You likely would be.
It's the bat signal, man. It's the TA signal. Look, upsloping flag, hidden bullish divergence. Let me count 1 through 9, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Is that how it works? Yeah, no. 10 weeks of reaccumulation from the composite, man. It's almost offensive. It is. I'm almost literally offended at people that were trying to say something about seeing 10,550 again. That's slapping the composite man in the face. Like, that's just so arrogant for you to be like, oh, I'm going to wait for 10,500, man. Oh, I'm going to get value now. Nah, dude. You had 10 weeks. I think we went on a rant about this yesterday during the stream. Thank you, Nick. You love everything about this group. Thank you, dudes. Well, you're part of it. You make it. 11,685, man. The audacity, literally the audacity of any one of you, and there were a few of you, saying, we're going to 10.5. Going to 10.5, dude. Like, for real, dude. Just like, I mean, we could, of course, we always could. If you get, I mean, it's just like the context, man. The context, the historical context is so real. The monthly, the weekly tell us everything we need to know. Targets for XRP, 30.4 cents. 35 cents, and then let me check it. 11,000. Here we go. Here, 11,700 is near, is nigh. There it is. 11,700. Chat. We did it, and we're still climbing.
Safe, but I'll be all right. Thanks you. Thanks so much for
Sorry,
streaming
dude.
again.
Yeah, I mean, I try everything I can to articulate, you know, how it has to be like that.
I was actually just
So it doesn't happen? I'm sorry, man.
when you went live.
You were. We do not expect anything, do we, Kyan Wolf? Because when we expect things, if they do not go the way we expect them to, our brain triggers an emotional response negatively. And then that is when you get wrecked as the trader. Can I get an amen? Give me an amen. Alright. Yeah, it's a great book. I mean, it is a must-read book if you're wanting to get into trading at all. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Someone said on Amazon they were sold out. It's like, go figure, man. Everyone's getting in, dudes. FOMO into investing in yourself if you're out there and you're new. FOMO into that. Don't FOMO into Bitcoin. Learn this stuff, dude. Follow us in this journey that is lifelong. 6 in Mordor. Dang, dude. In Mordor. We got a Kiwi, huh? Alright. Very good. Thanks, dude. Michael Hendricks also FOMOing into the mugs because these mugs won't exist on the next live stream. That's it. They will not. And the only reason they're up now is because extenuating circumstances where we're having a historical breakout,
Only a
dude.
BTC
Come on.
breakout can make a Texas boy walk away from a bone and ribeye at the dinner table canes.
Only Bitcoin breakout. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Gold can't do it, can it? Nah. Oil can't for a Texas boy, but Bitcoin can. You must be a millennial. You aren't a boomer for sure. Boomers will stop for oil breakouts, but they're all bearish breakouts now, right? Good God. Was it how freaking on point was this analysis? You know, it's dude, it's a game of probabilities, not certainties. So like just as easily as it, you know, it was just my interpretation, right? It was us. It was the community. It was all of us, man. We spent a lot of time here, especially the patrons and just the members in community that really care about this stuff and care about other assets, trading things besides Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's doing this, you understand how many incredible trade setups on the stock market and some altcoins had some really good plays too, really nice moves up. I mean, you should have love for the TA, not the Bitcoin going to moon, which is incredible for all of us. But still, I don't know, man, Bitcoin isn't always going to be doing this. And most of the time, Bitcoin's not doing what it's doing right now. This is very rare. And this is why it's so special. This is why I'm live at 1:20 a.m. my time. So yeah, man, we're just really high on price. We're up 3.37%. Ethereum, $355. It's pulled back a little bit. Oh wait, hold on. This. Sorry. My eyes are heavy, man. Super tired. Okay, let's go Dash. That alert went off. We haven't revisited it. And there you go, dude. Alright, Jesus chimes for the official first target of this trade setup being achieved. Let's go, dude. So, alright, we're going to play it again. We're playing it again, dude. I don't care. Because it's so hilarious. It's even more hilarious now, dude, right? We have to. Okay, I'm sorry. Beautiful on the 4 hours, and this is Dash last Friday. Whoa. God, I gotta do better. Sometimes I look at a lot of stuff, and there are just a few that I just don't look at. Look at this LL thing right now.
Not gonna lie,
Dash.
I used to think TA will boast.
Whoa,
Thank
dude,
you for the wake up call.
The Jesus
and
right
thank
here,
you
dude.
for answering tonight's wake up call.
Alright, it's not playing out. We got TTS going off. It's not it was quiet. I don't know. Anyway, that was nice, dude. Good job, Nexus, man. It was too perfect a pattern. But you know what, man? The trade's not over. We're not done yet. It's just first profit taking level. So, if we want to real quick, hold on. Where is it? Yeah, here it is, man. Alright, so that was... We identified it was on a live stream. We did it. And then, you know, after the stream, it's like, okay, I'm gonna do a setup for the Patreon. And then here it is, man, right? Like Dash, July 25th posted. Entry was like literally where the price was. Okay. First target, $85.89, you know? Boom, we've done it. Holy crap, you know? And so we got two target, a second target, and a third target. What's up, Rishi? Is it Rishi or Rushi? Patel, thanks for the late night sesh. Been lurking for a while. Great community. Cheers. Right back at you. You being a part of it. Thank you. So, right, like second target and then third target. Whoa, 107's the third target, dude. Are you ready for that? Think you are, man.
I'm up 100%.
Hiders of Garden, that's great, man. Congrats on the Tendies, dude. Tendy season. Tis the season for the Tendies. Mary Tindamus. I don't know. It is error random. It is the real community. Rushi. Got it the first time. Awesome. Rushi. Sweet. Thank you. Gonna miss one. Yeah, Michael Hendricks. Thank you for the mug purchase. Upcoming bull run pro tip: only check your blockfolio. Oh, that word blockfolio, dude. Ugh. 5 times per day. Plan accordingly. Nice one, dude. Nick said, "Love everything about this group." Okay, I think we're good. So, Dashman, the king, and may not be over. So, Ethereum Classic. Whoa. All right. So, I pinged patrons earlier. This is so important here, okay? 765 is not a joke. 765 to Ethereum is 11,463 to Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke out. Ethereum Classic is trying to. It was and pulled back some, is right at it. But you got to go to the daily. Right here, dude. Right, you see this? This support resistance area, trader settled up right here. But it's so visible on the daily. I love the fact that it's so perfect on the daily. And then you go to the weekly, and it's even better, man. And right now, this is where, like, if you break 765, you could have a huge markup to 951 in a very short period of time. There's just no resistance, really, above you. It's just a huge range, man. Right? It's like playing Donkey Kong, dude. Like, Donkey Kong's here, and he's throwing the barrels down, and they're just falling down. Someone make a meme of this. Someone Photoshop Donkey Kong playing in Ethereum Classic's trading range or whatever. Put it meme of the month. See, you know, there just wasn't that much effort put in this month to meme of the month. I think Black Plasma and Wayne Batson has just killed morale for everyone else. So I'm giving ideas out for free. Anyway, whatever. Here we go. Live. All right. Okay. Sweet. Nice one, Chaylin. I'm going to change the thumbnail now. Better late than never. I mean, you just know what we can do. How could you know I was going to go live? Here we go. Here we go, connect. What? Perfect, dude. Thank you. How thoughtful. But I'm sure he's awake. Dude, everyone in the space, man, has to be awake. Crypto. So 762, 765 is a breakout. We could be kings on Ethereum Classic, even though we already are kings, right? Already are kings. Because just as I posted just moments after I posted the Dash setup, I think it was I did Ethereum Classic first. Right, so the momentum shifting structure, it looked great on the daily, actually. I didn't even really look at it much on the daily. But, and this was a ping, a Patreon, like a trade setup, okay, posted. And it's just like the entries like where you are, you know, pretty simple. And then boom, first target hit, and we're waiting for the breakout. You get second target, third target. You see fib extensions, but trying to make people really aware if they're in on Ethereum Classic right now to know, like, on those targets, it could go to 950, man. It could go way higher because historical context, very important. I can't hear any of this. Okay, so that's it. I mean, like, I'm beating a dead horse. I'm beating a dead Ethereum Classic. Home base. Just like 2019, man. Just like it. this song's so good. Stream Elements is, what, is it broken? What do you mean? Wow, almost 1,000 people tuned in. What's up, everyone? Thanks for, dang, 325 likes. Really appreciate that. If you're out there and you are not subbed, hit that sub button. Let's get a sub spike. Let us moon together. Paul, congrats, man. Crypto doesn't sleep at all. Yep. I have no idea, like, where we would retrace now to the downside, dude. You realize the only way to retrace is when we have, like, some sort of inkling that a top might be in, like a reversal. So you need to top out and then reverse 20 to 23% of the way before you can even think about using Fibonacci to discern where a reasonable retrace target would be. You get that? We're like hitting the highest point of this wave right now, so you can't use fibs. What's up, Matthew? Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. So we're just gonna keep having fluctuations in price, you know. I mean, that's right. Like, I'll say it, you know. It's like, why wouldn't it? You know, there's no reason why it wouldn't hit 12,200 at this point. But of course, best laid plans of mice and men. Maybe it doesn't even hit a resistance before it reverses. I've seen that happens too sometimes. What's up, Michael Issue? Okay, let's go to XRP. I don't think someone wanted it, asked for it. It's doing exceptional, right? It broke out, had a weekly breakout or a monthly breakout, monthly bullish engulfing candle. But on the weekly, so you can see it real quick, just so you're cognizant. This is like public service announcement stuff. XRP is at a breakout. This is brought to you by your local government. Breakout. Confirmation will be in 1 day and at 18 hours. Okay? You break in like these lows from August 2018. Your first target's 30.4 cents. Your second target's 35.278 cents. Your third target's 46.186 cents. This could take a while. This is the weekly. So this could take weeks to a couple months to get all these targets if this breakout is to get follow through price action. Which that's what breakouts do. Like, that's how we trade and stuff. So great stuff on XRP, you know, just saying, giving a little love to this one because this is a big deal. And it may have only just begun. All of this is just kind of beginning, if you can even believe it.
Where should plebs take as some profit, and what percentage?
At this point, I mean, 12,200. Like, really? I can't give you a resistance. I can't give you somewhere to sell before there because there's nothing looking left for me to use as like a good sell target, right? That's what's going on right now. It's kind of weird timing to be asking, you know? Right? Like, you're just now breaking out. And then I'm just saying, like, nothing on the weekly. But your daily is like nothing. You know, if you know what, if we want to be more conservative here, we could definitely use this right here, where traders set it up instead of where the price action went. You know, that's like, it's always support resistance zones like that. So like 12,000, 11,979. That's like where it should go. That's like where there's nothing, right? It would make sense to just reverse here. Because how do market participants know to have a huge sell wall right here, right? It's going to take more. So, like, you know, multiple whales would know, oh, that makes sense to we all have our sell orders here, okay, and make a sell wall where it can't break it. And that's where reversal might occur. So, you are on the way. It's not going to happen like over overnight, even though you're like over halfway. What's up, Shane, dude?
Bruh.
Let's go.
Shane tipped $40.10. Thanks. 5.244869886, etc.
Thank you for the Ethereum Classic contribution, dude. $40, bro. If you don't know, any crypto tip I get, it doesn't turn into fiat. It is like a retirement account, but for crypto. It's just a thing. It's just a weird thing that we do, that I do. It started as a meme to, like, you know, there was like a troll that was saying like, oh, he only has like 5% of his overall portfolio in crypto. And I'm like, how could I, you know, make this, you know, flick him off in a certain way, figuratively. And it was this way. And now it's scary. Because it's just like, it's growing, you know, and the price is increasing on all these coins and stuff. And so it's like, monk ass. While we're looking at Link's down like almost %. You know, it broke out, but it's pulling back, and we're like, hey, it'd probably be better if we waited for like a potential inverse head and shoulders to show up. You know, to maybe trade it. I'm live for Bitcoin and really Ethereum right now, and Dash, Ethereum. I mean, I don't know. They're all kind of doing. A lot of them are doing some really good stuff. Oh, dude, you want to see something exceptional? Identified it a little too late. Dude, a bullish effing Gartley on XLM is so magnificent. Because it's like the Gartley showed up and the 786 retrace happened to be the back test of the right-angled and descending broadening formation multiple times. Look at this. And then you look even further left. It's two. Perfect, man. A PCZ at that is it, dude. That's what dreams are made of. So the target pretty much for XLM is 13 cents. It's like there's nothing besides these local highs you just created of the structure recently. There's nothing till 13 cents. You look left and you just go to the weekly and you'll see it. Like you tell me where there's support resistance until 13 cents. It's like straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So why is it now that we would not run up to that area to test it? Okay, you've broken out, you back tested 2 times now. All right, the week of July 13th and this week, July 27th. So it's time. It's time to come home. A breakout of a bullish reversal pattern. And big pullback on Bitcoin, somewhat, I guess. 11,600. When we've our highest point was 11,761. Yeah, you could expect that stuff at these levels, man. We're just really high, and we've been high. Like, you know, like dang, dude. 10,000 still kind of feels a little high to me, right? For a lot of us, you know, that have been like here every day for 10 weeks straight in this range or that range that we're now out of. Don't lose faith in that. Oh, I won't. I mean, like, I'm not parting ways with my crypto, remember? It's like, and BAT just like naturally is one of my largest crypto holdings because of like the Brave browser and the Brave rewards thing.
7:35 a.m. here. Didn't slept and still have to go work at 4 p.m. but flowers it. Today is not a day for sleep. Thank you, Sensei Mitch, for being here with us. Feels good, man.
Sure thing. Thank you, Vegeta, for the 420. It means a lot. Thank you, dude. Yeah, happy to be with you wherever you are around the world, whatever you're doing around this world. But one thing is certain, and it brings us together, is that Bitcoin is on the cusp, or is. It's in the process of a historical breakout, but it is not yet confirmed. And so that is why it is important to continue to articulate that to you, right? Though it feels good now, it looks good, it's amazing, I'm live, hey, doing it, we're all happy, but you really, one day, 18 hours, you'll feel a little bit more comfortable when we get a candle close break above this area that we're currently still above, that we broke out of maybe an hour ago, or maybe an hour and 15 minutes ago. Well, thanks for the 1,000 people tuned in. It's very, very late, or very early in the morning for me. I'm very tired. Wow, 418 likes, dude. We're about to Elon it. Okay, here it comes. Well, there it is.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because of stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
It's totally legal.
Dude, the breakout target's 12,000. Where you been, dude? Like, I've been like posted that, saying that in this stream like moments ago, like 10 minutes ago, dude. Oh, 12,000, no, 11,979. Never gets old. Yeah, I guess it doesn't, man. It's like hearing it, it's like the first time I've ever heard it every single time. And it's the version of it, it's like if you can't tell, it's a really scuffed version with like more, I don't know, reverb or something. Zachary made it. It just sounds better scuffed.
Is that a joint?
Has Ethereum got a moon? God, see these questions like Ethereum is moon. Ethereum's on the way to Mars, dude. Ethereum, like, dude, this is just like last year when we're at like 5K, 6K, and we're so grateful, dude. We're like, oh, we're on the moon, man. $5,000-$6,000, let's go. So, after like where the pattern presented itself and the low threes, and then you run up a few $1,000s, and that's a huge percentage increase in price at that level, prices being so low. We have a Hodge Twins sound clip. Are you kidding me, dude?
Price gonna dip.
Or we got this one too. This one's very appropriate.
XRP going to the moon. Yeah.
Ethereum Classic testing 765 again. That's the one to watch, man. It's on the cusp of glory. Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought you were... I guess it kind of is. Yeah, let's get the 4 hour. Yeah, right there, man. I got an alert set up if it sees its highest point. Maybe I'll just re-add it. And I know we've seen the wicks through there, but I want to know when we're above the resistance. Doesn't matter what time it is around the world, everyone is awake looking at this, wondering, will this Bitcoin breakout hold? Will it so many times, in the past, especially when we're not really going, and that momentum's not really there, we'll have these really nice runs up, and it just seems like, is this it, man? Is this it? And how many times, right? October 27th, 26th, 2019. Oh, God. February 20th. This might be it, man. Well, we might retrace a little bit, and Corona, and God. Now this third time around. Wow. Breaking things. Showing accumulation. Whoa, dude. This time it might be different. It looks like it on the chart, definitely. But we're here, man. We've been through it all. This is like what I do. So I am just the I am your tour guide through the insane thicket, which is the crypto market. We're clearing that thicket every day. So yeah, man, we're over $100 off our highest point of this run, of this breakout. First thing you want to do is at least get a 4-hour breakout confirmation, which is in an hour and 14 minutes. And you think maybe on the 4-hour, if you close and it's not, in an hour and 14 minutes, if it's not at 11,900, maybe we get a back test. But again, the back test now, I'm starting to talk about, I was talking about the accumulation flag, right? That flag where it's like Composite Man isn't gonna let you get in. You had your chance. You're not getting a retrace here. Okay, so you think, well, maybe it's the same thing here, where it's like there's just such little supply left, or there's overwhelming demand, or both, probably both. You might not get a back test of 11,469. So. Yeah, that's not quite what I was asking for. It's more like, like their PNGs. I don't know. This is not quite exactly what I expected. That's not even Donkey Kong. That's just a fat orangutan. I don't even think Donkey Kong was an orangutan.
Bruh.
Next! Thank you for your contribution. Let's go, dude. We got the Donkey Kong attempts. Look at this, dude. This one's just hanging out in the general chat. Oh, look, man. I love it. Let's see it happen, chat, please. I'm gonna try to. All right, if we ever get near the 20K, someone remind me to wear the pink shirt, and we're gonna try to remake this. So it's like, can we make an exact copy of the Photoshop? Someone remind me. Because, like, the way it looks on the weekly and the monthly, the time is ripest for 20K. If we're breaking what we break now for real on the weekly, like, that is definitely where eventually Bitcoin could wind up. Especially if stock to flow is real. Yeah. What's up, Technium, dude? Are you the real Technium from Discord, or are you some fake Technium? I never know. I think you're the fake Technium. I don't know, man. Not pumping anymore, alright? It's all over for Bitcoin's pump, dude. Sorry, man. Alert set for the pink shirt. Yeah, we got to be around like 19,400 or something before we start, getting the reminders out. What's up, Mike W? Someone let Technium know we're talking about him in the stream. The Discord Technium we know. What's up, Monk Studio? Nothing to see here? Yeah, no big deal. This is literally the most insignificant thing that has ever happened in Bitcoin's history. Oh wait, it might be opposite day. God, it's too late. Too early in the morning. So what are we going to do, chat? What are we going to do? We're going to do another straw poll. Will Bitcoin see 11,979 first, or will it backtest 11,469 first? I like that. Let's do it.
Try down sloping flag instead of upsloping.
Sorry, one sec. Okay, here's the poll. I'm posted. Alright. Casting it. Or posting it. Go exercise your right to, you know, the Bitcoin freedom. I don't know, man. I'm just zoning it out. I'm just, concentration levels are just like lower. You know, no coffee. Should be in bed, but that's okay. What are we gonna do first, chat? Oh God, we got the Moon Boys in the chat. Moon Boys in the chat. Posting it, click it or ticket. Meh. Oh yeah, is that true, Technium? There's only room for one. Uh oh, how you okay voted back test? We're screwed now.
Only room for one Technium in this town, sirs, and it's me. P-R-E-Y-E-E-T.
Ugh. Robot weird moaning. I'm a little disturbed, and quite frankly, I think a few members of the audience are disturbed by that too. Okay. Get off this straw poll, man. Get back to Bitcoin's price action, dude. What are you doing? Let's go. Moonsuits engaged. Dude, I have no words almost at this point. Just scrolling through some chat, man. There's a lot of it, so it's like... What's up, Genix? King Logan again. Excellent, just stuck there. It'll be okay, Scuba Steve. You just, hey man, remember, what are these markets built for? To take money from the impatient and put it into the hands of the patient. So you just relax, bud. And then you say that will be done. Right, bullish Gartley. Springing. Right, back testing the spring of a colossal breakout on the daily and weekly. What are you worried about, man? What are you worried about? Everything is beautiful. Jeez. It's like crypto TA therapy with me, your host. Yeah, get wrecked, TikTok. Communist Chinese government data miner. Get it out of here. This is a perfect thing to say to TikTok.
You should leave immediately.
No, but look at the total. No, look at the total. Yeah, we should look at it. Look here, listen.
Everything is beautiful.
Everything is beautiful. Thanks so much, man, for the $5 super chat. Hit right there in the sweet spot. What's up, nomadic investor?
Thoughts CME gap up. Short squeeze potential. Thanks for all you do.
See me gap up. Oh, well, it's gonna be there. And these gaps will fill, but maybe it'll take 5 months, 6 months, right? Or a long time. Or it won't, right? I mean, I don't know. Like, the whole gap thing, the only thing we know as humans about the gaps is like Gartley's gap theory, and that's studied on the stock market for like 100 years. And now we're applying it to crypto derivatives, you know, like Chicago Mercantile Exchange. It'll fill, but no one knows when it'll fill. So it's like, how can we trade when we have no idea when it will decide to fill, you know? So we would wait for like an edge on the market. Like, oh, clear discernible daily bearish divergence after a really nice run. And the 4 hours also showing bearish divergence. Oh, and then there's a rising wedge pattern at like $17,000 or something. All right, time, maybe a major reversal of the downside's coming. You know, like, that's when we say, okay, maybe if this huge pattern plays out, that's when the gap could eventually fill. You know, that's when we could start using that Tom Brady before it happens, but we're using charts and technical analysis versus, well, it's going to fill, dude. Some point, you know, it exists. But remember, all these questions are asked, and all, you know, you're like drawing out your cards of the what ifs, and it's like, well, what if this is real? If this is real, you understand? We're talking $16,000 if this breakout's real. So that's your card. This is my card. 16K breakout if we get confirmation on the weekly. That's 1 hour or 1 day and 18 hours. Okay. Let's look at that poll again, and I'll post it here, chat. Just vote. Why not, man? 197 votes. We got like 1,000 in here or something, I guess. Maybe. Oh, I think it froze. No, literally just no one's voting. What the heck, man? Y'all, every single person in here is just like boycotting the poll. Jeez, tough audience, man. Okay, dude. Oh, we're getting close to 400 likes. No, we got 480 likes. Oh, we got 501 likes. Let's go, dudes.
Bruh.
Thank y'all. Really appreciate that.
Bruh.
Hey Mitch, what book should I read as a journeyman TA artist?
Well, the question, I mean, you should be telling me what you have read, so I don't be like telling you and then you're like, I read that already. So yeah, I mean, like trading in the zone, Mark Douglas the best. Trades about to happen by David Weiss is good. The Evolution of a Trader by Thomas Bulkowski is good. And you know, then you got Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns is good to have. I mean, it's super dry. I mean, you learn a lot if you really, I mean, dude, I had to like seriously get jacked up on coffee and like work hard getting through that book, man. It's like Similarian. I think we're like, it's a little, you're like 5 minutes early, dude. Chang Win, thanks so much for, I think, joining the Patreon. If it's real, Bradford, can you, we look this up, man? Do we know this is real? Dash prediction, it's over, dude. Forget about it. You had your chance last Friday, dude, on Dash. Psh. It's over. You have to wait now. Brad says Changuina, another one who didn't heed the warnings. Oh my god. Can we get some guzz in the chat for Changuina?
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Good. Get your 5 minutes extra value quick. That's like the ultimate FOMO. That might have been the closest, or that might have been the worst value entry for Patreon of all time. Changwina might have just taken the legendary cake right there. A legend was born. So 11,645 just hanging out just above a breakout point that could be one of the biggest breakouts in Bitcoin's history. It's not real. It's not a joke. It's very real. 45 minutes of Patreon. There you go, dude. Well, I guess depending on, like, you know, if it was like 45 minutes of Patreon and we just posted the Dash and ETC setup, then you maybe would have been able to get the value out of it, right, within 45 minutes. But that's, sadly, they've played out. Why 16K target? 78% retrace from your all-time highs to your 3150 low. 100% measure move of the right-angled and descending broadening formation, and the pure sole fact that there's no resistance looking left on one of the most significant time scale. Those are my reasons for 16K, sir. And my trading view is frozen. Come on, dude. I don't think I did much work. I don't know. It must be hackers. Dude, it's like frozen. Like nothing's working. My other ones are working fine though. Yeah, my other browsers are good. This one's just done some. Hold on. Dude, this is not good. It is frozen. Or I can't grab it or something. I don't know what it is. No, it's there. I can't grab it. It's like it doesn't exist. And then I've never encountered a problem like this. Of course, dude. Of course, of all freaking nights, dude. I can't F11 get it out of full screen. I can't do anything. It's like it doesn't exist. Hold on. Oh, get up in the chat. Let's go right to it. I think it's safe, but maybe it's not. I mean, we're thinking it's safe, dude. Oh god, I don't know, man. I'm scared. Get it out of here. Gerald, oh my god, hold on. Brad says we're just trolling now. Oh, they're just trolling. It's not letting me click leave. Dude, this is... I don't know what to do, man. It's not letting me exit. Alright, I'm gonna have to close out of my entire browser. This is gonna suck so bad, dude. Is it a new month Patreon? I don't know, dude. I think it is. I've never been up at 2 a.m. my time at the beginning of a new month to ever have this happen. Ever, dude. I have no idea if people are getting screwed here and it's on last month or this month. What is it? Alright, hold on. Ethereum Classic's breaking out, chat. Of course! Ethereum Classic breaking out. Okay, at least I can do stuff on, but like I gotta get out of everything because of this crap. Oh, so let me highlight her. Okay, bye bye, Chrome. Are we good, Brad? Is this real? Is it safe? Ollie Smokes, thanks for the Patreon pledge. If it's real. What is chromium? Oh, there it is. Wait, why is it not just one Google Chrome? Oh my god, dude. This is... I've never done it like this. This is so weird, dude. Oh my god. There are processes for each tab. Yeah, I'm trying to end the tab, and it's not letting me hold the thing, right? Like shift and control. It's not letting me do that. It's like I gotta do it one at a time, like a scrub. What's up, Nug Demolisher? Thanks for the 5, dude. Oh, we got it. Did I get rid of it? Okay, sweet. Alright. That was the problem. Everything's good now. I think.
Can you look at that chart? Thanks for the tendies, brah.
I gotta turn my air on more. It's getting hot. I think I'm just getting heated. Oh, wow. I've got problems. Look, dude, I can't even... What is this problem? I have to restart my entire computer. Try to end the process for Chrome. Chrome. Let me see if I can, like... Whoa, dude, it's like the computer's treating it like I can't even move something to the desktop. Green arrow at the top right of my browser. The browser's gone, dude. Like, I don't have my browser anymore. It's just my... You gotta be kidding me, dude. Wow, this has never happened before. Dude, whatever, man. This has never happened. What the f... Oh, I'm gonna have to restart my computer, dude. Like, everything's, like, frozen now. Okay. I'm gonna restart my computer. I'll be back. Y'all are amazing. I'm just gonna end this thing. Dude. Oh boy. I think we got another new patron. It's not showing up on